Hey G Squad, welcome and welcome back. I hope you all are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made these tortilla wraps stuffed with ground turkey as well as bell peppers and other ingredients. So keep watching. Alright family, so our ingredients are as follows. So I'm going to be using some ground turkey as our meat today. I also am going to use some of this Mexican style cheddar jack shredded cheese. And then the wraps I'm using are these fajita flour tortillas. I'm also going to add this can of kidney beans to the ingredients, and I'm not going to drain the juice from it. Also, part of the dry seasoning is this packet of chili powder. Then I'm going to add a green pepper as well as one yellow onion. Also some garlic powder as well as black pepper. And that's it. So let's get into this video. Okay, family, so here we are. Our lovely turkey and turkey bean pepper stuff burritos, I guess. But yeah, and then as you can see, I have the sauce on the side. Yeah, so there you have it. I'll pull this back so you can see what it looks like. Yes. Alright, family. So that brings us to the end of our video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you tried these, comment below. Let me know how you like them, if you put your own spin on them. And post a picture in our community tab, okay? And thank you so much again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be safe, be blessed, and I appreciate you guys. Bye.